Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Obviously not in the kitchen, it's such a beautiful day today, look at that view. Just had to pop outside quickly to film this because mum's on a mission and I have recorded this video already, but you know, it was like a quick 2-minute video and even so, currently don't have time to edit anything. Nor do I have the energy, for I have not been sleeping. This is why I look like shit today. So, my apologies. As remnants of yesterday's makeup on. You know, the eyeliner that I throw on every now and then when I decide to film something, and not today. Nothing. But this video, I'm wobbling all over the place because I'm just holding my phone. This video, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone for subscribing. 100 subscribers. That's pretty neat. Like, I'm just having fun doing my own thing, and 100 people think that is pretty cool to watch. So that's nice. Thank you. But now, the main reason we're all here, I gotta get them to come here. Hold on. If you're friends with me on Facebook or you follow me on Instagram, you already know about them. If you don't, you're about to meet the best thing ever. I'm in my pajamas, by the way. Sorry. I got a puppy. Ow. I'm in Christmas pajama pants because in America, it's cold when it's Christmas. In South Africa, it's hot. So, you know, we're going into spring. Well, it's spring officially. Happy spring, everybody. And you are awful. So happy spring. Yeah, but I got a puppy and he's adorable and his name is Pax, so everyone meet Pax, and he's a little Ridgeback puppy. Never thought I'd have a Ridgeback, never really considered them. He is in a mood. You know, I always thought I was gonna get like a Golden Retriever Rescue as my first dog. Like, no, I get a Ridgeback puppy because I ended up having like a minor medical procedure, and on that day, just after having that, I was still pretty drugged up and in quite a lot of pain. So my aunt took me, he's just eating an expensive watch, that's fine. My aunt ended up taking me over to her neighbour's house, whose dogs had just had a litter of puppies. And he crawled straight into my lap. And that was me done. I was like, yeah, I'm taking one, thank you, this one that's in my lap, and it was you. And ow! He's killing me. He's killing me softly with his song. Could you stop that? He's making it do all sorts of things. But yes, he's deadly dog. Yes. But yes, I'm so happy I have him. He is a pain. We did not sleep last night. Hence looking like shit, I've already said that, I'm sure. But yeah, I just need to film this on my phone so that I can quickly edit it while I'm watching TV tonight. And hopefully he sleeps tonight, because last night was not fun. We did not sleep at all. Not at all, no. But yeah, so that's Pax. That's my news for today. More food videos will be coming. I have plenty recorded that need to be edited. And here comes Boo. Hey, my baby Boo. Hey, my baby Boo. Here she is. There she is. They're kind of getting on. Where is she? There she is. So, oh God. Yes, I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. I'm also allergic to dog spit, so if you see any rashes on my neck, that's from him. Yeah. That's so funny. Anyway, that's that for this video. Normal uploads will continue soon when I have balanced puppy life. Oh my goodness, off he goes. Bye bye. Yeah, once I've balanced puppy life with filming and working and all sorts of other stuff. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make an Instagram page for him, because otherwise my Instagram is just gonna be pictures of him. Just gonna be pictures of Pax. And that's why Boo has her own Instagram account. So hey, if you want to go and follow my pets, I might just add him to her Instagram account. So if you want to go follow my pets, go and follow them. I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, other than that, Hope you're all having a wonderful spring so far. And, well, if you live in South Africa, in the Southern Hemisphere, I hope you're having a lovely spring. Everywhere else in the world, enjoy getting cold. Yeah, that's out for this video. As I just said, have a wonderful wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Say goodbye. Say goodbye. You are so precious. I love you. Look at that face. He and Holly are best friends. She thinks he's his puppy. She thinks he's her puppy. That's the correct. Pax! Oh, he's